you, Your Holiness. I wanted to ask a question to you. What, according to you, is the link between reason and logic, Karuna and ego?
Karuna and Rasa.
Ego.
Correct?
Ego.
Ego. Karsa. What question?
Ego, egoistic nature of human being, compassion and reason, how are they connected?
I think ego, there are two kinds. One, ego, too much self-centered attitude and don't care about others. That kind of ego, self-centered sort of attitude is negative. But in order to develop sort of infinite love, Mahakaruna, Mahakaruna, you need tremendous sort of determination. In order to develop that kind of determination, you need self-confidence and some kind of ego. That's the positive side. So self-confidence and willpower combined with negative emotion and then bad. Such sort of willpower combined with karuna or maitri, wonderful. So ego, some kind of ego is, I think, the basis of the self-confidence. That's very important. And Kalakso. And Kare.
Karuna.
So Karuna, those who Bodhisattvas will practice, unless you have such sort of strong self-confidence, you can't practice that. It's a self-centered attitude.
We call it self-cherishing attitude.
최저하는 샤베이나 토모번에 검대요. 된저 검대버 찍을 다 미지대 로다 로주라 하셔게 나로리아 신의 지 남주기 타네 가서 뭐였네 지금 고도로 세브슬레 인도 따띠기 배 심슈 깨니 토모번에 검대버 들었다 녀못 땡인 거요.
So in order to be able to combat this self-cherishing attitude that we are so used to since time beginningless, we need to have inner strength, willpower, without which we will not be able to combat it. And so, and together with it, we also need to combat what is known as the, sense of grasping at some kind of independent existence in things. Now, so in this life, while we have the an opportunity to learn about the methods or the means and techniques to combat these two these two negative emotions or attitudes, the self-cherishing, extreme self-cherishing attitude, and also grasping at some independent true existence in things. When we are able to have this opportunity to learn about them, when we need to also have the courage to not just stay with intellectual understanding, but we also need to have this willpower and self-confidence to combat them.
So therefore, it is highly necessary to study whole system of emotion and mind. Abhidhamma Koshakarika also is mentioned quite detail about system of mind. And also more subtle level, the Madhyamika Avatara and Mulak
Madhyamika.
Madhyamika Mulakarika, these also is mentioning. So we have to study. Just a prayer. Of course, I'm Buddhist monk. My daily sort of life, about 5 hours, some meditation and prayer, and some recitation or some visualization, 5 hours. Mainly analytical meditation. So that really affect my mind. Just a prayer, not much meaning. So analytical meditation is the real weapon to eliminate, to destroy destructive emotion. Okay.